and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Lenovo 300 Full HD webcam. We are looking at the front side of the packaging, wherein it's got a very minimalist look. You just see a little infographic or imagery diagram of what the webcam looks like. There's nothing on either side. There's a little Lenovo security sticker that goes on the front side of the box, and on the rear you can see all the product numbers, serial numbers, and everything else pertaining to the webcam. On the bottom side, again, you don't have much information aside from one or two lines stating where it's made and what the warranty period is for. Obviously, check the Amazon page listing to get proper details regarding the warranty period. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So the first documentation is a little quick start guide for the Lenovo 300 FHD webcam. Then you have a service support and warranty statement. Again, read through this to understand exactly what all is covered and what isn't. This information is always helpful. And lastly, you have the webcam. So it comes with a really long cable. This is a USB type A interface cable. It's a bit more than a meter long. And the front side of the webcam comes with this little privacy cap that you can just slide to hide, or rather to block the lens. And you can also see several holes. These are for the microphone, so you get stereo effect for the audio. Then on the bottom, you can see that you can mount this onto a tripod. That's what this little screw hole means. Then the clamp opens up. It's got rubberized inserts on both ends. So whatever you're clamping with, this little clamp does not get sort of messed up or scratched. Then aside from the clamp, you can see a little ball joint, which holds the webcam onto the clamp. So there's a bit of adjustment that you can do with this. So you can tilt and pan a little. Both joints, that is the ball joint as well as the screw hinge, are quite rigid. So once you do adjust it properly, you don't have to worry about it moving about and losing adjustment. There are no additional focus knobs or anything else to change the focus of the webcam lens. And that's about it. So that was the unboxing of the Lenovo 300 FHD webcam. Thank you.